Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Thinking about studying online to save time and money but still hoping it leads to permanent residency in another country? You're not alone. Today, we're answering one of the biggest questions international students and remote learners. How can you get permanent residency PR through online degrees? Let's break it down. Number 1. Understanding the link between education and PR. In many countries like Canada, Australia, the UK, and New Zealand, international education is one of the most popular pathways to permanent residency. Why? Because governments use student programs to attract skilled, young, and educated migrants. And here is the key: it's not just any education. Most PR pathways are designed around in-person, full-time study in the host country. So where do online degrees fit in? Number 2. What is an online degree? An online degree is a program offered by a university or college that allows students to study remotely from their home country or anywhere in the world without physically attending classes on campus. These degrees may be fully online or hybrid. Number 3. Do online degrees count toward PR? Short answer. The short answer, usually no, not by themselves. Most countries require that you physically live and study in the country for your education to count toward PR points. That's because in-person study means you're already contributing to the economy for tuition, rent, work, and taxes. So if you're studying 100% online outside the country, you likely won't earn points toward permanent residency just from the degree. Number 4. Case study Canada. Let's take Canada as an example. Canada's Express Entry and Provincial Nominee programs reward international students who studied in Canada. But to qualify, you typically need a Canadian education credential completed in Canada full-time and for at least 8 months. So if you're doing an online degree while living in Nigeria, India, or the Philippines even, if it's from a Canadian school, it likely won't count for PR. However, due to COVID, Canada temporarily allowed some time to be studied online while still getting credit, but those rules were time limited and are no longer in effect for most students. Number 5. Case study Australia. Australia has a similar approach. To qualify for the temporary graduate visa subclass 485, which leads to PR, you need a degree from an Australian institution, at least 2 academic years of on-campus study in Australia. If your study was completely online and you were outside the country, it usually won't qualify. However, some time online may be allowed if it was during a student visa period and due to special circumstances like the pandemic. Number 6. Hybrid and online options that do help. Now here is where it gets interesting. Some hybrid options can actually help. Some universities offer a model where you start your degree online, then complete it on campus. If you transition to in-person study with a valid student visa, that part can count toward PR. Also, many schools offer graduate diplomas or certificates as part of pathway programs. These can be used to gain entry into longer programs that qualify for work permits or residency. Number 7. Online degrees still have benefits. Even if online degrees don't directly lead to PR, they can still help you build credentials that strengthen your future study or work visa application. Save money while preparing for in-person education later. Gain specialized skills that match labor market needs in your target country. Improve language proficiency, which can earn points in immigration scoring systems. Think of an online degree as part of a longer journey, not the final destination. Number 8. How to plan your PR path with online study. Here is how to use online education strategically. Start with an online certificate or diploma related to your target career. Apply for a full-time, in-country degree later. Make sure the school and program are eligible for post-study work visas. Keep track of your study hours and immigration updates. Speak to an immigration consultant or school advisor for personalized guidance. Online study is a powerful tool, but for PR, it's usually just one step of many. To wrap it up now, most fully online degrees won't directly lead to permanent residency. But if you use them wisely as part of a broader strategy, can still support your journey toward living and working in a new country. What questions do you have about online degrees and PR? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone planning their future abroad. See you in the next video.